Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to synchronize your audio with your video in Camtasia. So the version I'm using now is Camtasia 2020, and I don't know why, and I have not found the solution or the correct setting for this issue yet. Whenever I record my computer screen together with my webcam and audio, I have the issue that my video is out of sync, so it is not matching with my audio. And maybe TechSmith has to find a solution for this, or maybe if they watch this video, they can get back to me, because I don't even want to send a support ticket, because I find a very simple solution to synchronize the audio with the video. Okay, so let's come to my my Camtasia. So here you can see this is my latest tutorial about Filmora 10, and you can watch the video, watch the intro, and my audio. It is matched with my mouth, and so that does mean that it's was synchronized like this. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you. So actually this is the edited version of my tutorial. I can delete everything now and show you the original screen recording. Let's press Control A and delete everything. So we have here. So this is the first one, and this is the second one. This is just a test. By the way, this is the original screen recording that I use for my tutorial. Let's drag and drop it down here. So we have a webcam here and a screen recording here. Normally I will make my webcam full screen. So let's listen to it, and you see the audio is not synchronized with the video. 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, I have a small tips because I can see that whenever I make a new screen recording, the audio and the video is not synchronized. So I make claps at the beginning of my tutorial, like 1, 2, 3. So at this 3, when I count to 3, so I can see my video here is we match with my audio 1, 2, 3. So at that position, I just need to align the audio with the video. Okay, so to do that, so you should always do this. Maybe you do something like clapping or shouting out or speaking out loud, or make some sign like this, so you see where to send your audio. Okay, so firstly we need to separate the audio with the video. So to do that, we can right click and select separate audio and video. Okay, and now we are going to listen to the audio and watch the video. 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. So you see here is the audio, the audio waveform showing that the number 3 should be at this position. So this position is for the video, and we need to select the audio track and move to this position. And now it is synchronized. I mean it is synchronized, and we can play it back like this. 1, 2, 3. Perfect, right? And now we can split the beginning to this, and we can split it, and now delete this one. And now we have a perfect screen recording with audio and video synchronized with each other, and we can play. I'm going to show you how to change the background color of the preset right inside Filmora 10. So I saw some questions. So that is technically how you can synchronize the audio with the video using Camtasia 2020. I hope this tutorial is useful for you, for those of you who want to make software tutorial like me. Okay, if you want to try Camtasia, you can go ahead to download the software at the link I put in the description, and you can also use my 10% discount coupon code to save your money if you want to buy Camtasia. All right, that is everything for this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Goodbye and see you again.